All right, that concludes our section on note taking in Rome. I hope you found this information valuable. We covered a lot of ground in this section, so I wanted to take a moment to recap and summarize. We started the section by talking about importing highlights. We showed two different methods of achieving essentially the same exact goal, so manual versus readwise. You can experiment with both of those methods and see which one works best for you. We talked about the use of Rome templates to quickly drop in blocks of text that you're going to use frequently throughout your graph. We talked about page metadata, what it is, what it's used for, provided some general guidance about how to structure that in your graph. We talked about big ideas and breadcrumbs, so sort of two different stages of the note processing process and how each one of those fits in to that workflow and gives you the ability really to process large amounts of highlights and information very efficiently inside of your graph. We also talked about working with the side panel. Again, another efficiency idea. So minimizing the need to visually scroll up and down the page, having the same article open both in the main section as well as in the side panel, again, to make that workflow very efficient. We talked about the importance of providing block titles as a method of clarifying to yourself what that block is really about, as a method of aiding in discoverability and of making the page much more easy to visually scan. And then finally, we talked about connecting ideas. So using inline page links as well as hanging tags or floating tags to create connections between ideas across multiple pages within your graph. So once again, thank you for making it through this section. I hope you found it helpful, and I will look forward to jumping in with you on the next one.